15 English mistakes that Japanese people often make. Perfect for beginners and kids. That English actually doesn't work. I did a guts pose. That does not work. What should I say? I raised my fist. I raised my fist. I am an OL. That does not work. How do you say it? I am an office worker. I am an office worker. Ride an escalator. That is not right. What should I say? Take the escalator. Take the escalator. The tire is punctured. That is not correct. How do you say it? The tire is flat. The tire is flat. Go to a drive. That sounds odd. What should I say? Go for a drive. Go for a drive. Cut the handle. That does not work. What should I say? Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel. This is a suitcase. That is not right. How do you say it? It is a suitcase. It is a suitcase. Lend me a toilet. That is not correct. What should I say? Can I use the restroom? Can I use the restroom? My condition is good. That sounds odd. What should I say? I feel good. I feel good. I did a miss. That is not correct. How do you say it? I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Raise the pace. That is not right. What should I say? Go faster. Go faster. I did a download. That sounds odd. What should I say? I downloaded it. I downloaded it. I forgot my pass. That is not correct. How do you say it? My password. My password. It is time over. That does not work. What should I say? Time is up. Time is up. The level is high. That is not right. How do you say it? It is hard. It is hard. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.